Hi, welcome back. We're going to be going to do the process of restoring. Now, once we have backed up our design, then we're going to go ahead and restore it. Let's say you lost your data and you want to restore it. In my case here, what I do is I input all the designs on my iPad. And so once I have that, because it's a bigger screen, easier for me to input, then I go to my iPhone and I do a restore here right now, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to first of all go to the Files folder, as you can see in the first column, the third one from the bottom. So I'm going to select that. And here is my backup that I did at 8:58. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that until I get some other options. Here I see copy, duplicate, rename, and then an arrow. I'm going to push that arrow until I get to info. I'm going to select the info, and as you can see, this is the backup that I want that was done in 8:58. So I'm going to go ahead and press on the cloud with the arrow and hold it until it starts downloading. And as you see, it's spinning, so it's downloading, and it's downloaded, so it's done. I'm going to go ahead and say done. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to my embroidery inventory. And I'm going to, as you notice, there's 149 designs I have right now. The update should be 150. So what I'm going to do is go to options on the bottom left corner. I'm going to verify that that's backup is there. That's the one that's done at 8:58, and that is the correct one. So I'm going to say OK. Now under restore, I'm going to say restore from iCloud. And as you can see, it's going to restore it all the way to 150. And it is done. And I'm going to say OK. And now I'm going to close this. And now, as you can see, there's a 150 collection list. So now we've completed the restore. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye now.